Take everything you need in one trip with the VIVOHOME utility wagon. Made with heavy-duty construction and 600D Oxford fabric, it can carry up to 176 pounds of whatever you need. Comes assembled and ready to use. Perfect for lawns, beaches, even slopes at your favorite amphitheater. It's a great tool for sports events, picnics, outdoor work, or any outdoor activity. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Heavy-duty wagon. Constructed with a heavy-duty tubular steel frame that is durable and not easily bent, the cart is made of PVC-coated 600 Oxford cloth that is both removable and easy to clean, sets up in seconds, and no tools required. Number 2. Large capacity. Easy open trolley is perfect for those who want to transport large items around their yard. With the dimensions of 38.6 inches, length, by 22.8 inches, width, by 24 inches, height, it can load up to 176 pounds with double mesh front pockets. You can carry cups and drinks, or tools like pruning shears, hand shovels, or other small items. Number 3. Collapsible design. Foldable design makes storage easy. Its folded dimensions are 24.41 inches, length, by 11.42 inches, width, by 9.1 inches, height, which means it is super small and compact. A carrying bag is included for carrying and transport. The folded cart can stand independently. Number 4. Adjustable handle. The handle height is adjustable according to your needs. Swiveling wheels and handle mean this cart can adjust directions 360 degrees on a dime. Handle with locking system keeps it in place. Number 5. Wide uses. The cart is great for hauling tents, beach umbrellas, outdoor gear, garden tools set, sporting goods, kids' toys, firewood, potted and unplanted plants, even a child and other heavyweights. Ideal for trips to the garden, park, concerts, camping, outdoor sporting events, or just around the house. Number 6. Mesh cup holders. The cart is designed with 2 mesh pouches, ample enough to hold normal-sized water bottles or other beverages. It can also hold small tools, toys, seeds packages, and so on. Number 7. Swivel wheels. 2 big swivel wheels allow for mobility in all directions by providing 360 degrees of rotation, functional and labor-saving, suitable for different road surfaces. Number 8. Lock button. The lock button is located on the handle, so it is easy to extend the handle and move the cart. Just press the button and the handle will stay upright. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.